Good day everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer and I am going to show you a 65 legitimate wall charger that I spent $16 for on Amazon. Disclaimer, the brand or the company did not ask me to do this review. I purchased this with my own money on Amazon and I did reach out to them to let them know that I did purchase this with my own money. So with that said everyone, this is the 65 watt gain power delivery fast charger. It has two USB-C power delivery as a PD and one USB-A quick charging 3.0. And I'm going to say this right now. This is literally a legit 100% 65 watt power delivery. Let me explain. In my testing in the last 48 hours, I tried this with a 100 watt cable. I tried this with another 100 watt cable. I even tried it to verify because this has pro features. It tells you the wattage and tells you how long. And I'm going to tell you right now, this product here, the NU 27,140 watt power delivery power bank, informed me that this was a legit product. It was actually pushing 65 watts to charge this power bank. So with that said everyone, I want you guys to look at the design. Very neat, clean, elegant. Here are the ports. So now, if you plug a device up to here, which is A, and you plug up to here, that's a total of 65 watts. So make sure that you read this DP settings before you use. Mind you, you can charge up to 3 devices at one time, but it will split the power. Just keep that in mind. Now, as you can see, here's the information on the bottom, so you guys can get a good idea what this power bank is capable of doing. And the design is pretty good. It's small, it's compact, and the weight to it is nice. It's not like this one that claimed to be a 65 watt, but there's nothing in here. There's no Japanese capacitors, there's nothing. So this one delivered the power to this NU 27,140 watt power bank. Legitimately, this is a product that you want to buy. Disclaimer, as I said, I'm not sponsored by the brand, or the brand did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this so you guys can have a good idea what to look for on Amazon. And as an Amazon user for the last 18 years on that platform or that e-commerce store, I'm going to literally tell you that I've been discriminated on Amazon. My reviews have been taken down because they think I'm solicited. But ladies and gentlemen, I brought this up with my own money. No one's soliciting here. I'm telling you, as a consumer, watch out on Amazon. There are a lot of phony products. But with that said, this is not a phony product. This is from Alxum. I think I'm pronouncing this right. Alxum. If I'm butchering the name, I do apologize. But thank you Alxum for making such a beautiful wall charger. But with that said, everyone, it came in this box. Just to let you guys see the applications available for this, and you can read the back. Explains everything in detail. It's been certified too. That's important. A lot of these power wall chargers are not certified. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. With that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.